Hello guys, welcome back. Most of the websites and mobile applications today use OTP verifications in order to keep their application safe. The user must provide his email address or his mobile number and enter the given OTP code in the given space in order to get verified themselves. Today, I'm going to show you how to send an auto-generated OTP code to a mobile device and verify that OTP number using these seven networks. And I'll be using a simple Node.js application in order to demonstrate the implementation. Once you have arrived to their website, you can actually press this login or sign up, and here if you have an account you can actually sign in, but if you don't have an account you can press this sign up button and you will be redirected to another page called sign up page. And once you have filled all the data that they are asking, then you can sign up. But here is a catch. These 7 networks actually encouraging you guys to use your work email address in order to sign up in their portal. So if you have a work email address, then you can actually provide that. Otherwise, you can actually contact them using their provided email address, which I will be supporting in the description. So I'm already having an account, so I'm gonna sign in using an account. I will be using that account in order to show you the implementation process of this OTP verification API. Once you are logged in, you can move into verification API section, and there you can see API token and rapid API token, which you'll be using in order to use their verification APIs. So here, if you click verification API documentation, you can check all the documentation that is provided by them. It is really readable and it is really understandable and it is really easy to integrate. So now I'll be using my Node.js application in order to show you the demonstration process. I'll be using VS Code as my IDE, and first of all I need to create an Node.js application. So in order to do that, I actually use npm init first, and the package name I'll pass as T7 version. You can keep as simple the way it is. Yes, and once you are done with it, I'm encouraging you to install these packages in order to do our future implementation. So Axios, I'll be using Axios in order to make network requests for their provided API endpoints. So then I'll create a new file called index.js. So the plan is to write 2 different functions. The first function is to send the OTP message, and the second function is to verify the OTP code that is provided by the user. I'll fast forward the video, and in the end I will explain all the steps that I have followed in order to finish up the implementation. Now here in the mobile, you can provide the mobile number that this OTP message should receive, and send ID will be the send ID that your customer will see when they are receiving your message. And here is the authorization token that you need to include, that I have shown you in the website. So I will pass mine and I'll show you what will be the outcome. So yeah, I have included the token and send ID as well, and I have provided the mobile number in the function. So let's test this out by calling the function, and I'll run the file. So as you can see, as the response, we got the expiry, status, and the OTP ID. So in order to verify whenever a user has provided the OTP number, we need to provide this OTP ID. So this is the next function that we needed to write in order to verify the given OTP number. So I'll fast forward the video again and I'll explain the function in the end. I'm done with the second function as well. So I have actually provided the authorization token as well. So I think most probably the previous OTP code has already expired. So let's call the first function again in order to get a verification code. Then let's call the second function using that OTP ID and the OTP code that will be receiving to my mobile number. So let's call the first function in order to send the OTP message. Yes, I think we received OTP ID. I'll paste it here, and I'll actually mirrorcast my mobile device in order to show you the OTP message that I have received. So I think you will see my mobile device now. As you can see, I have received a message saying, hey customer, your OTP code is this. Then I'll provide this, and let's call the second API. So I have provided the OTP ID that we got and the OTP code that I have received. So I'll call the verify function, and as you can see, status is successful. So if we run it again, then you will see the OTP code is expired. So that because we have already used it once. So hope you have a pretty understand about this send OTP message and verify OTP code functions. I'll add this to a GitHub repository so that you can actually go through it. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment it down, and stay safe, guys. See you.